Hello children. So today in this module we are going to discuss paragraph writing. A paragraph is a short composition designed to assess the creativity and organizational abilities of a student. It is basically a group of sentences written on a topic. When attempting to write a paragraph, the student should first collect his ideas on the given topic and then organize them in a fluent and grammatically correct order. A paragraph must contain a key sentence that introduces the topic in one line. Types of paragraphs. Literary paragraph, which is called descriptive paragraph also, narrative paragraph, and persuasive paragraph. Format of a paragraph. Introduce the topic in one or two sentences so that the reader immediately comes to know what the paragraph is about. Put all your thoughts, ideas, and information about the topic in a logical and organized manner. Conclude the paragraph in a suitable manner. Thus, you can see that a paragraph is divided into two parts. First, opening sentence. Second, organizing your ideas or thoughts with all the facts and informations that you have got. And finally, concluding the paragraph. Key sentences. The topic sentence and the supporting sentences. The topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph that introduces the topic. It conveys the overall theme of the paragraph. This sentence is very important as it exposes the content of the paragraph. Now the supporting sentences. These sentences are used to support the main idea stated in the topic sentence. These sentences are used to elaborate on what the topic sentence says in brief. They give more information about the main idea with the help of facts and examples. Transitional words and the concluding sentences. Now, transitional words are those words which are used between sentences to build the unity and clarity of paragraphs. Transitional words like next, similarly, or for instance make sentences flow together. The concluding sentence. This is usually the last sentence of a paragraph that sums up what the topic sentence and the supporting details talk about. This sentence is used to tie up all the loose ends and give a logical conclusion to the paragraph. Points to remember. Every sentence in the paragraph must be closely related to the main idea or topic. Avoid using irrelevant information. Ensure that the structure of your detailed sentences is such that there is no logical gap in the sequence of thoughts or development of the main idea. Follow the word limit given in question paper. Be careful about grammatical accuracy. Try to come up with a concluding sentence that is thought-provoking or appealing so that it lingers on the reader's memory. Remember to write complete sentences. Now here is a sample paragraph which will give you an idea how to write actually a paragraph. Suppose you are given a topic, value of discipline. Now you can see the introductory paragraph or opening sentences. The opening sentences you can see directly are talking about the topic or exposing the topic on which this paragraph is written. So it says discipline is a law of nature. It is in man's best interest to observe discipline in all walks of life. Discipline is the backbone of character. Without discipline, nothing great can be achieved in life. A man who does not observe discipline in life has to suffer. He becomes lethargic and arrogant. He is disliked by all. So now here children you can see these lines are the introductory lines or these lines are the topic lines which are actually exposing the topic. Now let us come to the second part of this paragraph writing. That is, a student who does not obey his teachers and does not do his homework does not get success. An employee who does not work sincerely in office may be sacked anytime. If sportsmen do not observe discipline, cannot hope to win any match. In the army, discipline is of utmost importance. Discipline leads to harmony, whereas indiscipline leads to confusion. No life is worth living without discipline. So you can see the second paragraph, the second part of this paragraph is actually talking about, is giving you ideas or facts and, his own observation, your own observation. So you can see the second paragraph is actually the supporting paragraph, which is supporting the first few lines or the opening lines or the opening statement of the paragraph. Now come to the conclusion. Now, here are the lines which are concluding the paragraph. It says, a disciplined person is an asset to himself, to his family, to his society, to the nation, and to mankind. Discipline works everywhere. It controls the physical movements and our morals. There is no sphere in heaven and the earth where discipline does not dominate. So, children, you can see that the last lines are actually beautifully concluding or summing up the entire paragraph. So this is how you can divide your paragraphs in three parts, okay, and you can complete your paragraph properly, including all the points beautifully in it. I hope this video helps you in understanding what exactly paragraph writing is.